What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be taking a look at some parts for our Ranger 1500. We've got some silicone intake tubes for this machine. Now, we offer these tubes in red and black. They are a 5-ply port match silicone. We include heavy-duty stainless T-bolt clamps. We have the crankcase ventilation barbed port included, and these are pretty well basically just take your stock ones off and put these oversized ones back on. If you got an exhaust or RPM full exhaust, a tune, stuff like that, these are a huge complementing modification for your machine if you're looking to put a little more pep in your Ranger step. A lot of guys just like to upgrade like a tinker, and that's totally fine. So adding a little color to the engine bay never hurt anybody. So that's what we got here. If there's any new colors that come out in the future, we'll probably add some colors to our lineup, but for now, those are the colors we offer. You can pick these up at RPMsxs.com.